Look what Nana's got you. Lace. She's got this whole bucket. Look it. What's the duck say? What's the ducky say? Quack, quack. She was a lot more excited a second ago. What's duck say? Quack, quack, quack. She's not excited anymore. Look it! The onesie that my mom made. What? She loves gloves. Please look. Wah. Wah. Okay. And you got more, but we'll look at it in a second. It's hard with one hand to look at all this stuff. You got a bunch of candy. Do you like candy? All she cares about is the ducks. Say thanks, Nana.